Okay, we're back. So we'll discuss perceptual acuity, testmanship. So pag sinabing testmanship, we're gonna form the different strategies that would be workable in a particular test question. Okay, so perceptual acuity measures your visual spatial uh, intelligence, which is your ability to accurately perceive, analyze, and mentally manipulate visual information. Instead of relying on memorization, this session will assess how well you can recognize patterns, compare details, and perform mental rotation of shapes of objects, no? Of a particular object. So many perceptual acuity questions require you to imagine how a figure would look when it is rotated, reflected. Okay. So when you say reflected, it's about mirroring. Okay. So that would be the second part of the perceptual acuity test about mirror image. Okay. So a figure would look uh, rotated, reflected, or viewed from different orientation. So note that you should not, okay, change the size of the object, right? So mahalaga yung size. Huwag niyong babaguhin. Okay? So hidden figure, the size is maintained. The size of the shape is maintained. In mirroring, the size of the shape is maintained also. Okay? So we're going to develop strong visual spatial skills and practice systematically. Okay, practice systematic way of observing. So these are the keys to answer perceptual acuity questions quickly and accurately. So this would be the tips for hidden figure. So don't look at the entire drawing at once. No, instead you memorize the simple figure that is given to you. Okay, by noting are there any particular angles, then observe the length of the line, okay, and how the shapes are connected to each other. Okay, ignore unnecessary lines in the complex figure. So we're referring ourselves to the options, no? Huwag niyong papansinin yung mga lines na hindi kailangan. Okay? So, merong isang line lang tayong hahanapin. Example, two lines that meet at a 90-degree angle. Okay? Two lines perpendicular to each other could be the basis of examining, okay, the options relative to the given figure. Okay? So you trace one line at a time until you complete the entire shape. Okay, the hidden figure may be rotated, but it cannot be flipped. No? So when you say flip, you mirrored it. No? So it cannot be mirrored. Okay? Stretch, ibig sabihin, pinalaki mo yung shape, no? Yung size ng shape. Or, nagbago yung mga sizes niya. Okay? The systematic approach is much faster and prevents unnecessary overthinking. So let's discuss the systematic approach for knowing, okay, the correct answer for the hidden figure. Okay. So in hidden figures, this would be our set of rules. Size, you rotate, don't mirror. So the size, okay, is maintained constant. The shape can be rotated, but you don't mirror the shape, okay? So ito, same size, rotation allowed, no mirroring, okay? So let's have hidden figure direction, okay? Each item below is made up of simple figure at the left, and the 5 complicated drawings at the right. Select the complicated drawing that contains the simple figure, okay? The hidden figure may appear in different position, but it must have the same size and shape as the simplest figure. Yung simplest figure na tinatalakay dito ay yung given figure. Okay? So katulad nito, ito yung given figure. Meron kayo napansin? So there are curved lines, no? Ito yung curve. Okay? Tapos there are two lines that are acting perpendicular to each other. So yung sinade ko, yan yung hahanapin natin. Okay? So yan. Now, in perceptual acuity, you cannot use whiteboard. No? So you have to do chronological observation of the five options. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Observe niyo muna yung A. Huwag kayong pupunta sa B, C, D, E, patalon-talon. Hindi pwede yun. Okay? Or else, malilito kayo ano yung mali. No? Kasi 5 yung option. So, unahin natin yung A. Do you think A contains the hidden figure? Hanapin niyo yung dalawang lines na perpendicular to each other na kinoconnect na yung dalawang curve. May curve line tayong dalawa. Isa sa itaas, isa sa ibaba. At tandaan, pwede siyang i-rotate. So, do you have it in A? Pakisagot naman. Okay. Ito yung nasa letter A. Itong part na to. No? Yan yun, di ba? Okay, naka-rotate siya. So, A is the answer. Wala na yung BCD. Yan, ngayon. Ito, number 3. Puro line siya. Sorry, number 2. Number 2, you have what? A sort of a rectangle, no? Wherein the top part consists of two lines, no? So, line 1, line 2. Okay? Here. So, nasan yan? Tandaan niyo yung width niya. Itong width niya. Yan, yung lapad niya. Dapat maintain yung pareho. Okay? So, ito yon, hindi pwede yan. No? Makipid siya. Nasaan siya? Nasa letter B. Naka-rotate. No? Ito siya. Okay? So, alisin ko yung sinate ko. Nandun, di ba? Kita niyo? So, our answer here is letter B. Okay. Number 3, you have lines. So, yung lines may dulo, no? May ends. I-connect niyo yan. Okay? So, meron siyang linya sa ilalim, naging base siya. Okay? So, is it contained in A? Ito yung base mo, ang lapad. Di ba? Mali yan. Is it in letter B? Ito yung base mo. You don't have the correct figure, right? So, mali yung B. So, tandaan nyo, pwede rotate yan. So, nasa letter C ba? Yes. Ito yung base. Okay. Ayan yun. Okay? C contains the hidden figure. Huwag nyo nang tingnan yung D and E. Number 4. So, tingnan nyo, puro lines yan, straight lines. No? So, pansinin mo yung width nito. Yung lapad ng linya sa ibaba. Nasaan siya? So, ulit ha, pwede siya i-rotate. Kung ito yung hinahanapan mo, malapad yan. So, mali yung A. Nasa B ba? Ito yung shade kong pula. Na yan yung width. So, ito siya. Okay? So, the hidden figure is found in option A. Placing ko. Okay? Try niya, number 5. Can you try number 5? I can move to the next slide. Meron lang akong babanggitin, no? Para makita nyo ng saktong-sakto yung hidden figure sa 5 options, no? Kung papansin nyo, ito ay para siyang pag inakyat mo to, no? Yan. I cannot shift to the next slide. Wait. Okay. I was trying to say something about number 5 hidden figure, no? I was mentioning that you would note that there could be one white square there. Okay? Let black square, white triangle, right? And remember, this square can be blockened. Okay? Itong kulay puting yan, no, pwede siyang gawin ganito. No? Partially, itim yun. Okay? So, tanggalin mo yung itim na yon, magiging white square yon. Okay? Clear? Okay. Tingnan nga natin. Yung bang letter A, meron kang dalawang squares. So, ang hidden natin 2 squares. Okay? Isa black, isa white. Tapos meron kang isang thin triangle na kulay puti. Okay? So, meron ba siya sa letter A? Plus, pwede i-rotate yan, ha? Okay. Hanapin nyo muna yung itim. Dito, wala tayong makitang triangle na puti, di ba? Pero kung papansinin nyo, ito, yan, di ba? Okay? Tapos itong kulay itim na yan, alisin mo, magiging puti yun, di ba? Okay? So, A contains the hidden figure. So, sabi natin kanina doon sa tip, huwag yung pansinin yung unnecessary lines. So, maraming linya sa A, di ba? So, kung tignan mo lang yung lines that create a shape. Di ba? So, yung lines that create ng dalawang square at isang triangle. Okay? Tapos, palagi nyo imagine the given hidden figure can be rotated. No? So, nirotate yung given dun sa loob ng letter A. Okay na? Number 6.